Hi guys, today we're going to head into the danger zone. In fact, we're going to head into Spadeadam electronic warfare range. This is sort of north of Hadrian's Wall, just through Gilsland. And there's a lot of trees and plantations around there, and hopefully we'll get some nice scenes of desolation and a few nice little conifers. Also, it's very, very quiet, so there's very little people go up here, so we shouldn't be disturbed. Yeah, the sun's, what I call it, coming out, and there's a clear gap in the clouds going to come over here, and hopefully we'll get some nice light and also some different changes of light. Minor hurricane beyond Hadrian's Wall in Spadeadam Forest. This is just a former moorland planted over with clumps of commercial forests. It's on a single track road, so there's no place to go once you get to the end. I've seen this bridge. Oh well, it's seen a bit anyhow. I was going over to set up the camera. There's a clear patch of blue sky coming, so I'm going to set up quickly just so I can get the light. Hopefully it will turn out okay. Oh yeah, you see that bridge there? I'm just going to do a tight shot in of this little valley here with the bridge and the river and the road going snaking through it. Hopefully that will be interesting. If not, I apologise in advance. Right, I hope you can hear me because of all this wind. I'm having to shout. And I was setting up this shot and it's on a dead end road, and I just heard behind me the post van came along. So I tried to give it a bit more human interest by adding the van in the shot, both up before the bridge, on the bridge or after the bridge. Just because it's quite good for stock photography, these sort of pictures sort of sell. But unfortunately the van is so dirty that I may have to reshoot this one time. So I'm taking a note of the time and see what time the postman arrives. I'll come back on a better day, maybe in the spring or the summer, when the van's probably a bit cleaner. I've got all the salt and muck off the road. I'm using exposure at f11 at 80th, and the meter reading he's given me is slightly over a quarter of a stop overexposed. This is because to compensate for all the bright grass in the frame, or this bright dead grass which sort of alters the exposure. The exposure thinks it's the meter thinks it's a lot brighter than it actually is. Now I'm just waiting for a few clouds to come over and cast a few shadows, but because there's a bit of high cloud coming in now, that probably won't happen. So I'll give it a quarter an hour, or how long I can stand it in this cold wind, and see what comes up. Or if not, a bit of judicious dodging and burning to create a bit more depth and more structure in the image. Well, that's over with, and I'll walk back to the car and go and find a cafe, or if I see anything else on the way back, try and choose that. But it's clouding in now, so the sky's gone a bit milky, so there's no chance of any sort of like really strong light. It might be alright in some woodland if you can find some interesting trees or some sort of structure in there, or just have to wait and see what happens. Okay, bye. Right, I'm on the way back and I thought I'd stop for lunch. I'll stop by the Rangemaster's. It was a caravan, but now it's some sort of container at the practice military firing range at Spadeadam. I just found John West tuna under the seat, and I'm just gonna try this. I think it's all right. I think it's. I say it's good to December something on the 2021. So hopefully I don't get botulism. And if this video won't appear to get botulism. I've just opened it and look at that. It looks like cat food. It smells all right. But I find these John West lunch to goes, or lunch to go, they're quite good because you have a balanced meal with protein and pasta and vegetables all in one handy container, which you can also use in camping. Very good. So bon appetit. It doesn't taste off, so that's all right. There we have the Rangemaster's caravan. That's Spadeadam Range. There we have the sign saying military firing range, keep out when barriers are down. Danger, do not touch any military debris that may explode and kill you. I remember one time I was here many years ago. A friend of mine was interested in videoing military aircraft, and I was parked up here and we were talking to the Rangemaster, and a buccaneer came in and dropped its nose, and the Rangemaster said, scatter. It's going to drop its practice bomb. So we want to call it, we scattered to the side, all the aircraft enthusiasts, or anoraks, or whatever you want to call them, and the practice bomb flew over the caravan, which was where that red and white monstrosity is, and stuck in the dead grass, and because it had a bit of a flare in it with the smoke trail, it sent a light. So that was quite good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll leave you with some nice relaxing shots of a drive through some very stubborn cows.